Hydrogen is one of the cleanest forms of energy that we have. Its only byproduct is water. So with that being known, the way that we're getting our hydrogen currently is using fossil fuels and natural gas such as fracking. So what if we had a company that came along and revolutionized the industry and was able to bring us clean and green hydrogen? Well, that's exactly what this video is about. Today we're going to be talking about Sun Hydrogen Inc., what they do, how they're positioning themselves, the stock price, and where this company could go in the future. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Now let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together and we're going to grow together. So if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why guys, make sure to click that subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow. So we're going to be talking about Sun Hydrogen in this video. What do they do? Sun Hydrogen has a revolutionary technology that basically uses solar power and photosynthesis to break apart the hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atoms. So doing so, they can take the H2O, any source of water they can use, and they can separate the molecules into hydrogen. And this is a usable hydrogen energy. So where have we heard hydrogen before? That's right. If you're familiar with investing and you've been keeping up on any of the videos on here or videos in general, Plug Power, a fuel cell company that uses hydrogen fuel cells, just got a $1.5 billion investment by SK Group, a South Korean industrial group, and they've invested $1.5 billion in Plug Power. Now, Sun Hydrogen, they're not out there making the fuel cells, but they are producing the hydrogen. This is a very small company out in California, and they've got this new technology that doesn't need to use fossil fuels like natural gas and things like fracking in order to generate this hydrogen. They use this new photosynthesis technology that is basically it's like a little hydrogen generator. So it uses solar power to tear apart the hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atoms in any source of water. So really, if you have sunlight and if you have water and if you have this hydrogen generator, Sun Hydrogen is taking this industry by storm. They're able to create a clean, green hydrogen. And they're doing it because they know that hydrogen is potentially the future of clean energy. Now, you might say, but hydrogen, that's not even on my radar yet. Well, you were probably saying the same thing last week about companies like Plug Power. You know, they're making these hydrogen fuel cells, but is the demand really there? And after we saw Plug Power go from around $3 per share to $53 per share over the last year, I would say that this company, Sun Hydrogen, has some huge potential as well. Now, they've already experienced exponential growth. Their stock price at the beginning of 2020 was trading at less than a penny per share. It was 0.009 per share. That's a little less than 1 cent. And where are they at now? They're above 12 cents per share. So is the run over? By no means it is over. By no means is this run over. This is still an opportunity to get into this tiny company at 12 cents a share. And where could it go? I mean, if Plug Power was able to go to $53 per share, what's to stopping this company from going to $53 per share as well? Think about it. If you get in at 12 cents per share and the stock just goes up to $1.20 per share, that's a 10x on your investment. You just made 10 times your money knowing that you're investing in clean, green energy. Guys, we know that clean energy is the future. If you've seen any of the videos on electric vehicles anywhere recently with Romeo Power or Tesla or NIO, and the hype that is surrounding these companies and the regulation that's going to be coming out of the new administration here in the US, clean energy is the way to go, and it's going to see huge developments in the near future. So with that being said, Sun Hydrogen is positioning itself to take off in an exponential format over the next year, over the next couple years. if this company is able to receive the investments like Plug Power did, the sky is the limit. We could see a $50 share price on this company as it grows and as hydrogen becomes a fuel source that many people are using. You know, right now it's all about fossil fuels, oil, gas, natural gas, stuff like that. We need it to survive. But as we go cleaner and greener, and the new Green Deal and everything that they've got going on out there with that, we're going to need fuels like electricity, hydrogen, all of that. The clean energy space is going to take off. Now, this is our time to get in early and to get in quick on this very small penny stock. You know, a lot of us out there are kicking ourselves because we see so many stocks that were trading at 30, 40 cents, and then over a year's time, they're trading at $30, $40, right? This could be our opportunity to get into the hydrogen game right off the bat with a brand new technology that's revolutionizing the industry, and not only keeping hydrogen energy green, but making sure that the way it's produced is green and clean as well. So if you found this video interesting, if you're interested in the electric vehicle space or the clean energy space, or you know somebody that is, make sure you click that share button and share this video with them. Let them know about Sun Hydrogen. The ticker symbol is HYSR. This is an opportunity that we absolutely do not want to miss out on because we can position ourselves in and get in early. So with that being said, don't forget to click that like button if you liked the video. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why. You had an opportunity at the beginning of the video. I'm giving you another one now. Subscribe to the channel, become a bro, and let's grow. Now with that being said, guys, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.